Welcome to our channel, The Commerce Catalyst. Now we are going to start the admission of partners question. So that is related to hidden goodwill also, and this question is three things. One is the revaluation account, partners capital account, and balance sheet. So first you have to understand the question. Karam and Param are partners in a firm. They sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. It means Karam and Param are partners in a firm. They sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. Their balance sheet as at 31st March 2024. And liability is given. The credit 2,30,000, outstanding rent is a 20,000, and capital account is given in this question, the Karam and Param. So Karam is a 3 lakhs and Param is 1,50,000. So total capital is a 4,50,000 by old partners. And assets is the given. The cash at bank is a 1,20,000, debtors is 20,000, and less PBD and provision for doubtful debts is a 20,000, so 1,80,000, and stock is a 50,000, and prepaid expenses is 10,000, and plant and machinery is 3,40,000. And now the admit is a Suresh as a partner on 1st April 2024, and Suresh will bring 2 lakhs as a capital and the necessary amount for goodwill, and new profit sharing ratio among Karam, Param and 5:3:2. It means old ratio is also given in this question. In the firm, the profit ratio is 3:2 and new ratio is also given. It means in this question old ratio and new ratio both is given. Amount of goodwill is to based on Suresh's share in the profits and capital contributed by him. It means this is the related. This is showing the question related to hidden goodwill, because the amount of goodwill is to be based on Suresh's share in the profits and capital contributed by him. It means the total forms of capital. I mean, like that in previous example I already discussed about this. So once again when we'll solve the problem that time. So now the first you have to understand the adjustment. So adjustment, what is the adjustment? Adjustment is the stock is to be reduced by 10%. So first open the revaluation account. Revaluation account. Revaluation account. Revaluation account. It means कि दोबारा से वैल्यू करना. रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. रीवैल्यूएशन मतलब री मतलब दोबारा से हम क्या करना है, वैल्यू करना है. रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट खोलना है. करेक्ट. इन लेजर फॉर्म में इसको हम जस्ट टी फॉर्म में आपको समझा रहा है. सो रीवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट यानी डेबिट क्रेडिट. revaluation account. एंड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. पार्टनर्स कैपिटल भी खुलेगा. अगर सपोज डेट यहाँ पे हमने पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, revaluation account, partners capital account. 3 partners is here. Three partners is here. Karam, Param and Suresh. Karam, Param, Suresh. Karam, Param, Suresh. Particulars, particulars, Karam, Param, Suresh. Amount, RS, amount, RS, amount, RS, amount, RS, amount, RS, amount, RS, CR, DR, DRC are already given. Okay. So revaluation. So first, let's say revaluation. So revaluation is stock is to be reduced by 10%. So stock is given in the question 50,000 and to reduce 10%. So revaluation account debit to stock account. Stock account. How much? 5,000. Why? Because in the balance sheet, balance sheet in asset side given 50,000 in this question. Right, and particulars amount rupees, particulars amount rupees. So revaluation account debit to stock account. Revaluation account debit to stock account. So in adjustment, so read carefully. Stock is to be reduced by 10%. So stock in the balance sheet given the 50,000. So revaluation account debit to stock 5,000 here, and in the balance sheet the impact is reduced 50,000 minus 5,000 equal to 45,000. We will discuss later on. First, you have understand two revaluation account and partners capital account, then balance sheet. So for revaluation account debit to stock account. Now the provision for doubtful debts is rupees 5,000. So PBD, and provision for doubtful debts is 5,000. It means the data given here is the how much? Data given is the 2 lakhs and provision for doubtful debts is the given 20,000. So 2 lakh and given the 20,000. It means the PBD account is a 20,000 minus 5,000. It means 50,000. So write down PBD equal to PBD account debit to by PBD, yani provision for doubtful debt account, in short PBD account debit to revaluation account. How much? 15,000. Why 15,000 here? Because in the balance sheet the data given is 2 lakh minus 20,000 is the PBD. So 20,000 minus 5,000 equal to 15,000 here. So partners account debit to yani revaluation account debit to stock account and PBD account debit to revaluation account. And next adjustment. Next adjustment is the given in the question. Plant and machinery is to be reduced by 5%. Now the plant and machinery value, how much per plant and machinery value? Plant and machinery value is given how much? 3,40,000. Plant and machinery value is given 3,40,000. So 3,40,000 and to be reduced by 5%. So 3,40,000 into 5%. It means to revaluation account debit to plant and machinery. Plant and machinery account. Machinery account. 3,40,000 into 5%. Answer. It means 500, 500, 5 4 ja 22 and 5 3 15 and 2 17. It means 17,000. 17,000. So revaluation account debit to plant and machinery 17,000. Why need to obtain the revaluation account? Because we will found out the revaluation account in profit or loss, whatever. So here is the revaluation account debit to stock account, revaluation account debit to plant and machinery account, PVD account debit to revaluation account. Now the expenses on revaluation were 14,000 and were paid by the firm. So expenses is increases. So right there is two expenses. Because we have already discussed about the concept of debit credit. Because debit means either expenses or assets, credit means income and liabilities. Okay, so you have to understand the concept of basic accounting. So there is no need to require again to explain this thing, because how to we will get the revaluation account to a stock account and to plant and machinery account and to expenses, because you have already understand the if increases the expenses. So this is the debit. So two expenses account here is 14,000. And another one is that an unaccounted commission receivable of 14,000. So unaccounted, it means by unaccounted revenue यानी receivable, commission receivable account. Receivable account, how much? 1,400. Correct. So this is the revaluation account. And now is the partners capital account. So partners capital account, Karam and Param, the capital. So by balance BD, Karam how much? 3 lakh. Param how much? 1,50,000. And Suresh is 2 lakh. And now here is so 17, 5, 22, 23,400. 23,400. And we got 23,400 minus 16,400. $7,000. So 7,000 is a loss. 7,000 is a loss. 7,000 is a loss. So this is the buy, loss, and transfer to partners capital account. Partners capital account. partner is the Karam Param. Karam Param. What is the ratio given? 3:2. So 4,200 so transfer to capital account. So to revaluation account Karam 4,200 and Param 2,800. Now the one more important point is the goodwill. This is the not you write the Suresh capital, write down in this case like that. By bank account 2 lakh. It is better. So here is the revaluation. So the loss here is 7,000 and 7,000 distribute loss in the ratio is the 3:2 ratio. 4,200, 2,800. How? Because 7,000 into 3/5, 7,000 into 2/5. Correct? Now the partners capital account. So partners capital account, the two. Now goodwill. So how to calculate goodwill? We already discussed about the hidden goodwill. So hidden goodwill, how to calculate hidden goodwill, how to determine hidden goodwill. So total firm's capital, because already in the adjustment is the given the Suresh, on the basis of Suresh amount of goodwill is to be based on Suresh's share in profits and capital contributed by him. So Suresh 2 lakh and 2 lakh into his profit and ratio 1 by his profit and ratio is a Suresh profit and ratio Suresh 2 lakh capital, the necessary goodwill and profit and ratio, Suresh profit and ratio given or not in this question. New profit sharing ratio 5, it means 2/10. 2/10 is a new profit sharing ratio. So 2/10 means what? 2/10 means 10, 2/10. 2/10. So 10/2. It means 10 lakhs. 10 lakh is a firm's total capital. And how much capital brought by old partner? So old partner brought by 3 lakh and 1,50,000. So 3 lakh plus 1,50,000. This is the working note, plus 2 lakh. So 3 to 5 and 6,50,000. Yani 10 lakhs minus 6,50,000. It means 3,50,000 is a, and now 3,50,000 into 2/10. 2/10. 2/10. It means 1/5. It means 5. Yani 5 7 is 35. Yani 70,000 is a goodwill and distributed by this ratio. So buy premium for goodwill account. Premium for goodwill account, how much? 70,000. So 70,000 and divided by 10 lakh and 3 lakh, 4 lakh 50,000, 4 lakh 50,000 and to 6 lakh. So the goodwill is 70,000 and 70,000 is distributed by how much? Equally. So this is the 35,000 and 35,000. And now to calculate the two balance DD. So 3,35,000, 1,50,000 and 2 lakh. I write down here 3,35,000, 1,50,000 and 2 lakh. And now the 3,35,000 minus 4,200, 3,35,000, 4,200, so 8, 30,000, 3,30,800, 3,30,800 and 1,50,000 minus 2,800, $147,200 and this one is the 2 lakh. 2 lakh. So this is the revaluation account and partnership capital account. The one part is not here, that is the balance sheet. So now first now erase it. Now here is the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on when balance sheet on 1st April 2024. Assets, liabilities, as on 1st April 2024. So question given the creditors 2,30,000, correct? So write creditors 2,30,000 and outstanding rent 20,000. Outstanding rent 20,000 and capital. So capital account brought from Karam, Param, Modni. Karam, Param, Suresh. 3,30,800, 30,800, 1,47,200 and 2 lakh. And liability asset side is the cash at bank 1,20,000. Stock is a 1,95,000. Stock how much given? The 50,000. So this is the 45,000, and 50,000 minus 5,000 is a reduce. So this is the 45,000 is a stock here. And debtors. So PBD to debtors how much? So debtors is the 1,95,000. Debtors is the 1,95,000. Debtors is the 1,95,000. And prepaid expenses is a 10,000. And commission receivable, prepaid expenses 10,000, commission receivable 1,400, and plant and machinery machinery how much given? 3,40,000 minus 5%, na? So $3,40,000 into 5%. 00500 approach 20, 17,000. 3,23,000. And rest is the cash at bank. So hope you have understood. Thank you.